Hey, Skillbite here. This video is going to be a review of this Adams Polishes drying towel. Let's see how well this thing works. That's pretty good. Look at that. I mean, it just picks that water up. I mean, this thing just dries so fast. Oh, and by the way, I already did the Miata. Yes, I already washed and dried the Miata with this towel. Not drying it out, not wringing it out, anything. Literally washed the Miata, hung this up in a clean spot, then came over, washed the truck, and now I'm drying it. And it's still picking up pretty good. When it's dry, you literally can just take the cloth here, spread it out, and pull it, and it will leave a dry surface. It's that good. Now, I'll also tell you, it ain't cheap, but boy, it's great. There is a link in the description. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.